In this video, we'll show you how to change the rear brake hose on your Ford Fusion. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. For safety reasons, we strongly suggest watching our video on how to jack your Ford Fusion safely. Place a container to collect the fluid under the caliper, since the brake fluid may leak out. The components to be removed are very often seized up, so don't hesitate to brush and to use penetrating oil to make removal easier. Using a 13mm open ring wrench, unscrew the metal hose connector from the brake hose while it is still on its bracket. Use a 16mm wrench to keep the brake hose from rotating. Using a flathead screwdriver and a hammer, remove the metal clip holding the brake hose. Here's a tip. You can limit brake fluid leakage during this operation by plugging the metal hose connector with stopper pliers. Using a 12mm wrench, unscrew the Banjo bolt connecting the hose to the caliper.
For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now.
Next, remove the hose. You can order the brake hoses used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new brake hose. Put a seal on the Banjo bolt and install the assembly on the hose. Then, put the second gasket on the Banjo bolt. Screw the Banjo bolt that connects the brake hose to the caliper back in. Finish tightening the Banjo bolt with a torque wrench. Using brake cleaner in paper towels, clean the contact surface between the brake caliper and the brake hose. Remove the shutter pliers from the metal connector. Screw the metal hose connector back on part way. Use a hammer to install the metal clip. You can now finish tightening the metal hose connector. You can now clean the junction between the metal connector and the brake hose with brake cleaner to remove the brake fluid, which can be corrosive. When replacing a brake hose, you need to bleed the brake fluid system to remove air from the system. To do this, we suggest watching our video, How to Bleed the Brake Fluid System, Ford Fusion. After bleeding, remember to clean the caliper disc assembly with brake cleaner to remove the brake fluid. Then you will be able to put the wheel back on your vehicle. Put the car back on the ground and block the wheels properly. Operation complete.